Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to set up additional password protection in the X app. But before that, don't forget to subscribe and leave a comment down below, because at 10,000 subscribers I'm going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy. So without further ado, let's just jump right into it. First we have to open up the X app. And here it opens up in the feed where we have our posts. Then we can just swipe to the right, scroll down, and then in settings and support, we find settings and privacy. And in settings and privacy, we find security and account access, the second option. If you tap on this, then we can go into apps and, security again. And here, additional password protection. If we want to enable this, we can just tap on this toggle and enter our password and save the changes that we've made. This means that we can have additional protection on our account. Yeah, that's pretty much it for this video. Hope it was helpful for you guys, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.